everybody, guys. How are you guys doing today? Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's morning, and yes, I want to share with you guys my morning routine, what I'm going to be, few of the stuff that I'm going to be using because I'm going out now. So I'm going to be unboxing this package. I ordered something, it just came in, and I have to show you guys what I'm going to be using for my face, and we'll be gisting and unboxing. Like today I wanted to film another video, so when I received this thing I was like, okay, let me just film this one. You guys, I have a lot of unboxing this period. I ordered a lot of things that I'll be sharing with you guys. I ordered some decor for my house, some wall decor. You guys are going to see them, okay? So now today I'm going to be cleaning my face this morning with my Kiko face cleanser. So guys, after cleaning, I'm just going to be adding my mask. Just going to be adding my mask. You guys, this mask is from Kiko as well. No, this is from Sephora. Mascara Equilibrate. Guys, this mask is so good. It's a very, very nice mask that if you want to buy, you can get it in Sephora. It's a set. So guys, while we leave it for 10 minutes, I'm going to be unboxing with you all. Most of all my stuff I ordered from China is here, most of them. This is for my son. I got this one because I want to try Shine pan. I've never bought pan from Shine. Just want to try it. If it's good, I'm going to order more. Let me see the quality. I'm going to see the quality. I've never, first time of ordering stuff in Shine, but I ordered clothes from Shine before. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Just that it's a little bit bigger than my leg, but I took 38. So next time I'm going to take 37. So it's a little bit bigger, but it's good though. I can use it. I love it, and it's so chic. This is for my boy. Let's look the one for my boy. For my boy, for my boy, for my boy. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. This is beautiful, guys. This is beautiful. This is for my boy, and this is for my boy. Oh my God. Guys, Shine is really, really trying. They are really trying now. They are really trying. Oh my goodness. I said I want to try a haul with you guys. I ordered summer knicker. This is beautiful, man. I ordered polo as well. I ordered a lot of things, guys. I never knew that they are going to arrive this early because I ordered it just last week here. Wow, 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 wow. This one, the white, I ordered the white. I ordered the black. Oh my God, one of my favorite stuff I ordered from Shine. This shirt. You guys, see now, I'm going to try them on. Yeah, my house decor are here. So guys, I told you guys I ordered some traditional house decor. I love something, traditional stuff like house decor, like all these things, just to hang on the wall, not kind of tradition we in Nigeria. So, and this one, oh my goodness, this one I'm going to hang it as well. When I saw it, it was a little bit bigger than this, so yes guys, just to hang on the wall. I ordered a lot of wall decor, so these are wall decor, and I'm going to frame them. I'll frame them, put them in frame before you can hang them. Oh my, hello summer weekend, hello summer. I ordered hello weekend and hello summer. Wow, this one for swimming pool. If I'm going to swimming pool, I'll just take it and so we are good to go. And here is my other leggings. Wow, is this how this color is? I thought the color was so sharp and beautiful. What kind of dark color is this one? The color was so sharp and beautiful. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wow, it's beautiful guys. I love them. I love them. I love the quality. It's worth the money. They are not cost. So I think they are just €5, €4. So it worth the money. It's only my son's old, I think it's €11, €10 something, So yes. Okay guys, they added comb to it, so you can comb it. Okay. Yes guys, I love these things that I got from China. It's worth just the money, okay? It's €4, €3, €2, €3, €4, or €5, so it's really worth it. Alright guys, so I'm going to wash my face off. So guys, I just washed my face off. Then I use this from Sephora vitamin C day cream mixed with sun cream from Sephora as well. You guys, I have a lot of face stuff, a lot of face things that I'm using on my face from Sephora. I'm still going to show you guys more. If you want me to show you guys more, I'll show you guys. Okay, so guys, after that I'm going to use my face cream. So guys, after that I will just use my lip balm, then dress off. We are good to go. Oh my goodness, this video is 30 minutes. I think I should end this video here, then start another vlog. We are going out. I'm going to take you guys along with me. We are going to a special place, very special. Stay tuned on my next vlog. Okay, alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to use my lip balm. Bye guys, see you all on our next video. you.